5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just destroy like the one pillar on the left.
Rain of brimstone.
Oh no, you found it.
Yep. Soak.
Okay.
You can break one more. Watch out, don't break all of them. Don't break all of them. Can you take to the far away one? So it's easier for us to get closer? Okay, I got more spawning anyway. Alright, so we have one pillar left for the Infernal Burning.
Infernal
Bind it.
burning.
And remember this spike spawning like shortly after, so you need to move away soon. Move away now. And spread these comets a bit. You can break one of these pillars, there's like triple stack here. Okay, don't. Wait, the soak again. Keep your eyes open, you can spawn like everywhere. I'll solo this one. I'll solo this one. I'll solo this one. Right. There's more spike spawning now.
Disagree, do the Shattering Star.
You can break one of these. Okay, it's good. We'll get more spikes now. Same range as the healers if you don't want to die, guys.
Infernal burning.
Alright, this is gonna hurt a bit. There's 4 of them. Dennis, make sure you have a cooldown.
Spirit Link.
Hobby, me?
Quite.
Okay, watch out, watch out. Spread.
Fell eruption.
That's good. More spikes are spawning.
I can solo one close to melee. Next one.
Fell eruption. Fell eruption. Rain of brimstone.
I can solo one next to melee.
There's 2 in front. I got the one in front.
Good job. More spikes spawning.
Gonna move him slightly.
Shattering stars incoming. If you can, just pull it through 2 of them, okay? Because they're like 2 right next to each other. If you have the Shattering Star, just pull it through that.
I'm tranking this Shattering Star.
You can break one of these other pillars as well.
Fell eruption. Fell eruption.
Okay, Infernal Burning is incoming. We still have 4 pillars.
I might have used my darkness for that spirit link wrong, my bad.
Infernal
Get behind him. Use the personal defensive if you... That's all good. Watch out for the spikes.
Don't pass.
There's more circles that are spawning soon, so just get ready for it.
Trying to reach times.
Yeah, it's fine.
Rain of brimstone.
Soak the
2 in
circles.
front of us. Can you swap the
yeah?
one?
Somebody's.
Watch out, watch out. Don't break more pillars right now. You don't want to kill people. Be careful.
We have no pillars right now. Oh no.
We have
No,
one
but there's
combat
more
rest.
spawning, so that's no worries.
To his hand back, please.
This is just gonna hit one, by the way. Just Holy Pala does this.
Moving.
So I have one pillar.
Yeah, but there's more pillars spawning before the Infernal Burning. There's no rush.
One
Yes,
shot
that is
resting.
Don't. Oh, it's that.
Infernal burning.
Iron Bark you.
Get behind the pillar.
I might die.
We have Spirit Link.
Try
I
to live,
just
try to
ran.
live. Spread these out. Don't stand in this. You need to soak.
I've got him.
Yeah,
Go
watch
through
out,
two.
watch out,
I'm
watch
going
out.
through
Yeah,
two.
trank this.
Right. Comets incoming again. This is there's like another Shattering Star incoming. Don't waste any pillars. Soak.
There's one at the back not getting soaked.
I might make it. Good sacrifice. Though. Good sacrifice, right here. I'll just focus on finish off the boss.
Shattering Star, just tie this as soon as it's ready.
I'm gonna pull it through 3 of them, so this shouldn't hurt that much.
I'm dead.
Kill the boss. Good job. Someone got
Curious.
legendary.
Oh, fire in the deep.
Release to
Oh,
spawn
it's an
on the
Infernal
boss.
Cinders, Militia!
That's
I don't just
Yeah.
release.